welcome back to my channel. I am Kim and thank you for joining me here today for another grocery haul. So as per usual, I am just going to unpack everything and then let you know at the end exactly what it is that we plan on for the week. This week's food shop came to $123, so quite a bit less than usual because we were kind of just stocking up on a few bits and pieces, and we had some stuff in the freezer and the pantry, so we didn't need to get too much. All right, let's get into it. So we have some bread. And I got 2 lots of these Tip Top burger thins. So I thought we would give those a try this week instead of actual burger buns. They're only 99 calories per serve. So we have some herb and garlic crumbed chicken burger patties, some chicken breasts, some more burger patties, roast chicken, and some minced beef. I bought this carrot and broccoli florets pack just to steam up some vegetables. Normally I will do it myself and just buy them whole and cut them up, but they were on special and I thought I'd give them a try. I also got this roasting vegetables pack. So this has carrot, pumpkin, onion and zucchini in it, and it's got rosemary and garlic infused already. A pack of shredded lettuce, some chicken stock, some more Fiber One bars, so we've got some chocolate and some salted caramel, some more Fiber One bars. These are the birthday cake flavour. And these ones are the lemon drizzle flavour. And then some more chicken stock. A hard and soft taco kit. Some Monster energy drink. And some Indomie noodles. So like I said, this was a small haul for the week, but the plan is for this week to do, I think we're going to do some chicken burritos with the chicken breasts. So some of that will go towards the chicken breasts and the other half of it will go towards a chicken soup, a roast chicken, which I will use the vegetables over here for, and then we're going to have burgers a couple of nights as well, and yeah, and then the chicken soup obviously. So oh, and then, sorry, I forgot, I also got the mince, and we're going to have tacos one night. If you watched last week's grocery haul, you would have seen that I tried Woolworths for the first time. I went back to Coles this week because when I was looking on the Woolworths website, I found most of the things that I wanted were actually out of stock. Hence why I went to Coles again. Although I did order a couple of things that I did not receive. So I ordered some Roma tomatoes and I also ordered a cube of Pepsi Max, but neither of those were available, so they took them off my total. So I think originally my order was $154, and after that stuff was unavailable, it came down to $123. Anyway, that was my grocery haul for this week. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give that bell a little ring so you get notified of my videos in the future. Until next time, bye guys.